Can the chickens play the piano? Oh, those chickens, can they both play the piano? Two of them? Two of them? That's pretty silly.
Those are some noisy chickens.
Can the cow play the piano? Can the cow play the piano?
Horsey out.
Can the horsey play the piano?
Hello.
Here you go.
Cows.
Here you go. Cow and the horsey. Are they playing the piano?